Hi, my name is Madani, and today I will be sharing on visible and invisible aspect of Bali. Okay, so firstly, the visible aspect is arts and Balinese dance are inseparable from their culture. Arts, like their sculptures, really shows their culture, and dancers express a story of drama using the whole body. Telling stories through dance was like watching an Asian theatre. Okay, so for the invisible aspect is that from an outsider point of view, Balinese dance is just a performance. However, the performance incorporates ancient Hindu traditions when the character fights demons and evil spirits. Numerous ceremonies such as Galungan and Kuningan festivals are held to celebrate the victory of good over evil. These events are often not seen by tourists but are essential to Balinese culture.